Hey y'all, you already know the vibes. Your girl's back again with another video, and today y'all we got some grill. Let me show y'all. And if you've been here before, you already know I got extra sauce. It's so hot. I'm not gonna lie, it's so tender. It's so hot. It's so hot. It's so hot either. Fire. Bring it back here and eat with us. So their pickles really isn't spicy here.
Yeah, it's not. No, disappointed.
You want some more? No, I literally keep eating and forgetting to record because it's just so good. It's hot. He just dripped that sauce all over my little friggin' pink sweats. Alright, y'all. We got our little plantain with some grills, some onions. We're gonna put some of the little pickles. She said she's gonna copy me, so weird. Oh, and the sauce. Oh, we in here fucking this food up. Okay.
I want just this. These pieces.
If y'all live in Palm Beach, this place is literally right off of Palm Beach Lakes and Congress. Alright, y'all. The grill, the sauce. Hey, y'all. This whole plate was $15, which is really good because they give us a lot of food. You want another bite? Yo, I can't.